Ever wondered about the multitude of options available to recent college graduates who are looking to dive into the work-at-home or remote job pool? Well, let's embark on a journey together where we will explore 45 completely remote jobs or side hustles that are perfect for college graduates. First on the list, freelance writing. It's a field that requires creativity and a knack for words. Whether it's articles, blogs, or even ghostwriting, the opportunities are endless. Secondly, consider graphic designing. If you have an eye for aesthetics and a handle on software like Adobe Illustrator, this job is right up your alley. Third, we have coding or programming. It's a field that's constantly evolving and always in demand. If you have a degree in computer science or a related field, this is a good fit. Fourth, we delve into social media management. If you're savvy with platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, businesses will pay for your expertise. Fifth, there is virtual tutoring. With knowledge in a specific subject, you can teach students around the world from the comfort of your home. Next, we have transcription services. If you have good listening skills and fast typing speed, this job is for you. Seventh, we have SEO consultancy. If you can help businesses rank higher on search engines, you're in for a profitable venture. Eighth, there's content editing. If you have a keen eye for detail and a good command of language, you can provide editing services. Ninth, we have translation services. If you're bilingual or multilingual, you can offer your language skills for translation. 10th, there's virtual assistants. If you're organized and have good communication skills, you can support businesses remotely. 11th is website testing. If you have a keen eye for user experience, businesses will pay for your feedback. 12th, we have data entry jobs. If you're detail-oriented and can work with spreadsheets, this is a good option. 13th, there's e-commerce. If you have a product or service to sell, you can set up your own online store. 14th, consider stock photography. If you have a passion for photography, you can sell your photos online. 15th, there's affiliate marketing. If you can promote products or services and make sales, you can earn a commission. 16th, we have blogging. If you have a passion for a particular topic and enjoy writing, you can start your own blog. 17th, there's podcasting. If you have a unique perspective or story to tell, you can start your own podcast. 18th, consider app development. If you have a unique idea for an app and the skills to create it, this is a great option. 19th, there's online coaching. If you have expertise in a specific area, you can offer coaching services. 20th, consider game development. If you have a passion for gaming and the skills to create, this is a great option. We've covered a lot of ground already, but there's more to explore. From online reselling, ebook writing, and online course creation, to fitness coaching, resume writing, and even voiceover work, the list of remote jobs and side hustles available to college graduates is immense. To wrap up, this comprehensive exploration of 45 completely remote jobs or side hustles for college graduates has highlighted the vast array of opportunities available in the remote job market. Whether your skills lie in writing, designing, programming, or even coaching, there's a remote job out there for you. Remember, the world is your oyster, and with the right mindset and dedication, you can turn any of these opportunities into a profitable venture.